What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the OPPO FindX2 Lite. As you guys already know that OPPO has unveiled their flagship OPPO FindX2 Pro version a couple of weeks ago, and now they are showing on their Portugali website the OPPO FindX2 Lite. All the specification regarding that particular device has been unveiled now, and today's video will be regarding that specification of the OPPO FindX2 Lite. So let's jump into the video and see all the specifications which are coming inside that particular device. So starting from the display of the OPPO FindX2 Lite, it is coming with a 6.4-inch of Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution. 20:9 is the aspect ratio, and there is going to be a water drop notch present on the front of the device. The front is also protected with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and it is also coming with a hidden fingerprint sensor as well. Also, if you are looking at image, you will notice that there are going to be a bezels around the edges of the OPPO FindX2 Lite, and there is going to be a small chin on the bottom of the device. The water drop notch is coming with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera that has an aperture of f2.0. It can record 1080p video using that particular shooter. These are some samples present on the website. You can see the quality of that particular camera sensor. Moving on towards the back side of the device, while we have a quad camera setup present on the back side, and it is coming with a 48 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, which has an additional functionality of a macro lens. 2 megapixel is going to be the portrait lens, and 2 megapixel is going to be the depth sensor camera. Also, the back is coming with an LED flashlight. Internally, if you look at that device, it is coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset inside. Yes, it is a 5G device, and it is supported by a 7nm architecture of a processor. There is going to be only one variant, 8GB and 128GB of internal storage, and it is coming with a DDR4 RAM inside it, and the storage is based on UFS 2.1. Battery wise, the device is coming with a 4025 mAh of a battery inside, which is also coming with a VOOC Flash 4.0 charger inside, and that charger is going to be 30 watt. It can charge your device 3% to 50% in just 20 minutes, as OPPO was claiming on their website. There are two colors are going to be introduced in the OPPO lineup, and these two colors are pearl white and monolite black. In terms of OS, it is coming with Android 10 pre-built inside, and the color OS 7 is going to be the skin which is going to be seen in the OPPO FindX2 Lite. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.